Okay, I'm using my headphones as a microphone because the background noise is so terrible. So, trying this. My name's Michael, and my major is nursing, and I take this course because it's part of our program, and I need to get it to graduate, which I want to do eventually. Plus, I just got a job in a college unit, so it fits perfectly. The only people I know that have cancer or had cancer was my grandfather who passed away, and a friend that had breast cancer and is still alive, doing well. My favorite thing to do besides studying is and riding a motorcycle. Uh, Sports I like to do are tennis and I like to play soccer, but I haven't done either one of those for a while. I did go to Alaska for a week, and it was awesome. It was really great to be right there in this, untouched nature. Nobody could survive. It was just awesome. Saw lots of whales. The glaciers breaking away. So it was great. Not good for the environment, but it was interesting. It was fun. Uh, And like I said, I work in an oncology unit now. Was laid off for 2 months. Had a paid vacation from pretty much from my work, and now got rehired at the Stu Pavilion, the Tri-City Medical Center. Originally, I'm from Germany, and dad's Italian, mom's German. Moved here when I was 23, actually just traveling. Didn't work out so well hitchhiking in the U.S., so I went to Mexico, met my wife there, and we traveled for a year in Central America. And I don't have any children that I know of. My wife has a child that's only 4 years younger than I am, so I don't really consider this my kid. So she's nice though. Anyway, that's it, and hope that mic works. And see you all. Have fun, and looking forward to learning a lot from that class. Bye.